Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on these Art Deco icicles. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Rainbow Snow. And then once I have the nail vinyls applied, I'm going to be filling in with OPI Indigo Motif and OPI Turquoise Aesthetic from the Color Paints collection. And they should be sheer enough that you'll still be able to see the holographic sparkle underneath. I added a layer of super glossy taco to help with the dry time, and once your base is completely dry, you can go ahead and add vinyls. I'm going to be using these Stilletto vinyls from What's Up Nails, and I'm actually going to be using the outside of the Stilletto. So I'm going to apply it, basically lining up the point on the center of my nail and the base right under my cuticle. And oh goodness, once I have them all applied, I'll be filling in with the OPI color paints. These vinyls were a little tricky to apply. I ended up giving them a trim at the top and at the bottom in an effort to help them lay flat. And I'm also going to press them as flat as I can before I start adding the colors. So I'm going to go with the indigo at the tips and trying to keep it a very light coat so that the holo can shine through, and also so that it doesn't pool up against the vinyl. Want it to be a thin, consistent layer. And then with the turquoise, or the teal, whoopsie, little OPI thingy there, we're going to go ahead and fill in the bottom section. And once I have that finished, I'll remove the vinyls and repeat that for all my nails. Once you've removed the vinyls, you can take care of cleanup. And also if there are any spots where a little bit of polish may have seeped under the vinyls, you can take care of that since there is a protective layer of top coat on there. Once you're finished with any cleanup, you can finish with one more coat of top coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I actually love how these turned out. The vinyls were a little bit floppy and difficult to work with, so I did end up with some lines that are a bit thick and chunky compared to the others, but overall I think the design and the colors worked really great together. Of course, with Rainbow Snow as the base, these are hollow, and the sparkle does come through the jelly polishes more than maybe the ring light is showing, so I do want to give you guys a little bit of flashlight time. If you would like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you would like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP, and I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.